you yelling, "I'm bored," when they have bins and bins of toys and 3 video game machines in the living room? Oh, and a Disney Plus. Do you hope to engage your kids in something that is different and exciting that could actually add value to their future? You know that parenting did not come with a manual, and things have certainly changed since you and I were kids, and we had a bike and something called go outside and play. What if I could teach you about the one play space that you have in your home that you are not even using? Your kitchen. What if we could engage your kids in becoming tiny chefs and teen chefs and learning at the same time about nutrition and skills that could help them in their future?